Welcome to the personal property tour for Forth View, Upper Largo in Drumeldrie. This is a 4-bedroom detached cottage. It is stunning. You've got countryside views to the front, countryside views to the back, and panoramic views across the Firth of Forth. This truly is a magnificent cottage. You've got off-street parking for multiple vehicles, you have a garage, you have a workshop. I'm just going to take you on the tour. This is a beautiful, beautiful property. I'm going to flip the camera. There's a property here. So this is the rear of the property. And as you can see, it's a fair size. It's just glorious. It's a lovely and spacious inside. And we're going to just start with the entrance hallway. So as soon as we approach the property, which you can enter from the front and from the rear. So go into the property here, you'll see that it's lovely and bright in the hallway. Really nice and spacious. Lots of natural light coming in. The windows in the hallway are fantastic for doing the natural light and making it really lovely and bright. I'm going to start in the bedroom number 1. So immediately you come in, you'll see this is currently being utilised as a home office. So it's a great space. You've got double window here, so lovely and bright. It's a really nice space. You've got storage here and storage here as well. I'll just flip over here so you can get a feel for the size of this. So it's a good size double. That's a big office table. So plenty of space in here. So from here, we go out back into the hallway. So we're back to the hallway. You've got really nice big storage ladder in here. Got one window here which is lit in lovely light, and then the main hallway you've got 3 windows all the way along, so it's lovely and bright. You've got a big walk-in cupboard here too, so lots of storage in there. And then as we go up here, you'll see bedroom number 2 is the first one I'm going to go into. Lovely and bright, as you can see. Nice size double room, lots of space in here. You could actually have a nice seating arrangement here, maybe a dressing table. And actually, if it was me, I'd want one because I'd want to sit here and look at that gorgeous view. And you'll see that in more detail in a sec. It's a great size double room. You have access to the roof space from here as well. So that was bedroom number 2. We'll go back out into the hallway. And then we'll go into bedroom number 3, which is next door. So again, a really nice size double. It's a king size bed in here, so plenty of space in here. You've got room in this area as well, so easily get your wardrobes in here. Lovely big window, nice and bright, high ceiling, so feels really spacious. And again, you've got these fabulous views across the Forth. And you'll see that in more detail. So to come out of bedroom number 3, we're going to go into bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4 is straight ahead. And again, a really nice sized room. It's a lovely big room. King size bed again. You've got lots of big furniture pieces in here, so plenty of space. Nice and bright. Lovely light coming in from the window. And you'll see that as we go over. Again, all of the bedrooms have that fantastic view. Again, you'll see that when we go outside. But isn't that just glorious? It's a lovely big sized room. Lots of space on offer. And that is bedroom number 4. So we're back into the hallway. As I say, you've got these windows that go all the way down here, which is technically the front of the property. So it's great the living space is to the rear. I think that's a big bonus. Then we go into the family bathroom. So you have your shower, your bath, so you've got your electric shower above there, you've got your sink, your WC, so really nice and spacious. Again, quite high ceiling, so it feels lovely and airy. That's your bathroom. As I said earlier, you've got this great storage ladder in here. And then from here we go into the dining kitchen. So immediately you go in, you see how lovely and bright it is in the dining kitchen. That's a 6-seater table, so you've plenty of space in there. You've got all the beautiful cupboard arrangements. Got storage under here as well. I love this feature walls. You've got room for a big American fridge freezer here, so lots of space there. And you've got your white goods as well. You've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your oven, your hob and your extractor above. And again, you're standing at your sink and you're looking out to the courtyard, which is at the front of the property. So if we open up here, you can see you've got this lovely courtyard that you could easily sit with. You've got an outbuilding there for storage, bin area as well, so that's a great space. So we'll go back into the kitchen, and then from the kitchen we'll go back out into the hallway. You've got this great big cupboard in there as well for storage, so lots of storage in this property. And then from the hallway we're going to go straight ahead into the lounge, which I think is my favourite room. Isn't that beautiful? It's a really nice sitting room, lovely and bright. You've got the floor to ceiling patio doors there, and again, big floor to ceiling window here. It's a great reception room. You've got your fire here. If it was me, I'd have a lovely log burner in this room. Be fantastic in the winter months. But lots of natural light coming in. It's a lovely big space. And you can see why this is ideal. You've got this great patio that you can just step out onto as well, which I think is glorious. So we're going to head out into the garden now. So I'll let you have a wee good look at that. Isn't that a lovely room? Very welcoming, isn't it? So we'll go from the lounge and we're going to head outside. So this is where we came in. And you can immediately just feel the lovely country feel that this garden has. It's got some beautiful colours. It's a lovely garden. You've got a great big patio area here, so great for seating. You can set up for your dining here. Your garage is at the end of the property. You have access as well from the garage here as well as to the front. But actually what the current owner had explored potentially doing, because that is the master, you could potentially knock into that garage and put an additional ensuite on there, which I think is a great idea. But look at the garden. Isn't it beautiful? So if we walk around this side, this is where the patio was that comes off of the lounge. So it's a great space. You have a pond here as well. But it really feels like quite a nature garden, doesn't it? And the views, incredible. So you've got your lawn area as well here. Nice and relaxing. You've got your driveway here. So your garage, you've got your access to the front. You've got your off-street parking, as you can see. You've got your one vehicle at the front, you've got multiples that can come in here. You've got this fantastic workshop and shed. It's like 3 sheds together. You've got your drying area here as well. But as you walk into the garden, what I love about it is just the whole country feel that you get. You've got this beautiful apple tree as well here. The fruits are just coming up. But actually, greenhouse, you've got a fire pit, you've got so much that you could do here. But this view, absolutely stunning. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? So you've got countryside views, basically panoramic countryside views, and you're right over the Firth of Forth even. And as you can see straight ahead, you can see across to Edinburgh and Berwick. It's just so beautiful. So peaceful. It's a beautiful property. Isn't it lovely? To summarise, this is Fourth View, Upper Largo, Drumeldrie. It is gorgeous. It's 4-bedroom detached cottage. It comes with fantastic views. You've seen the countryside views and the views over the Firth of Forth. You've got beautiful garden area. You've got off-street parking. You've got a garage. You've got multiple shed option and a workshop there as well. It has a pond. It has a beautiful garden arrangement. Really is a great location as well. So as far as locations go, you're 2 minutes and you're at Upper Largo. You've got the Upper Largo Hotel. You go down the hill, you're into London Links. You've got the beautiful golf courses there. Going into Lower Largo, you've got all the amenities and facilities there. You've got the Crusoe Hotel, you've got the harbour, you've got the railway. So much on offer. You've got the fantastic golf courses, that location as well. You're right on the Fife Coastal Path. In the opposite direction, you're a few minutes drive and you're at the golf courses along here as well. You're about 8 minutes from Ely. So much on offer here. You're, as I say, right on the Fife Coastal Path. So you've got all the walking, you've got all the water sports that you could want, and you've got these fabulous views. It's in a great location. This one is on the market with ourselves at the moment, offers over £340,000. If this is of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. And as you can see, this is Perry at Fife Property TV. Feeling very relaxed indeed, actually. Just enjoying what this garden has to offer. Isn't that great? Take care, have a great day.